welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to do the Copines Tik Tok trend, which is one of my favorites. It's totally awesome. But before we get started, it would be amazing if you could just subscribe and also activate the notifications by clicking the bell down below. And now let's go. By the way, this video is mirrored, so it's a lot easier for you to follow. And now let's go with the first move. The first thing we're going to do is an isolation. So basically, it's just like a normal wave, but we're going to split it into parts. So basically, we're going to go 1 with our head, then 2, 3, 4. That's it. So 1, 2, 3, 4. Perfect. Now we're going to step to the right with our right leg, and then our right hand goes like up, like this, and then same with our other leg. So basically, it's going to go like this. 1, 2. Then we're going to go 1, 2. So open, close, open, close. Okay, so after this, what we're going to do is 1, 2, 3, 4. So to do this move, basically for our hands, they're just going to do like small circles like this. Just like that. 1, 2, 3, 4. Perfect. Once again, 1, 2, 3, 4. And then for our legs, we're going to step to the right. We're going to bend our right leg. Then we're going to step back. And then we're going to step to the left and back. Perfect. So it's going to look like this. 1, 2, 3, 4. Perfect. Let's do it from the beginning slow so that we remember everything and we'll move on. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Step, 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 step. So after the second step, we're going to step forward with our right leg. And then our right arm goes back to our left shoulder. And then our hand just does like this circle. And then we're going to do a small wave. Just like that. So 1 and 2. Perfect. After that, what we're going to do is we're going to step like this, but to the other way. And instead of going like this, our hands just go 1, 2. So they just go down. 1, 2. Perfect. So 1, 2. And then we're going to do like a small jump. Just like this. So to do this, we're going to step on our left leg. We're going to bend our right leg. Then we're going to put our right leg down. We're going to straighten both our arms. And then we're going to twist our right leg while we bend our right arm. So once again, 1 and 2. Perfect. Once again, 1 and 2. Okay, so let's do it again from the beginning slow and we'll move on. Let's go. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Step, 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 and 1 and 2. Wave. 1, 2. Jump, and 1, 2. Perfect. So after this, we're going to do this move. So basically, to do this, we're going to step back with our left leg. And then both our hands go to the side. And then we're going to do like this small jump where we basically just step on our left leg. And then we're going to put our right leg down, just like that. So it's going to look like this. 1 and 2. Once again, 1 and 2. Perfect. Now, after this, we're going to basically just put one hand over here, and then the other hand goes here. And we're just going to like bend our shoulder, like our shoulder just goes forward and back. So 1, 2, and then we're going to put both our hands over here. Then we're going to do like a small circle with our hands and just switch. So switch, and then we're going to go 1, 2. So basically, our hands are going to be in this position, and then we're going to go and do a circle, and then another circle. And then we're going to go 1, and then twist, and then again, circle, circle. And that's it. That's the whole dance. So we're going to do it from the beginning twice. First, we're going to go slow, and then we're going to go a little bit faster. And that's it. So first, let's go slow. Let's go. Wave. And 1, 2, 3, 4. Step, 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 step. And 1 and 2. Wave. Step, step, jump. And 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6. 1 and 2. 3, 4, 1 and 2, 3, 4. That's it, and now fast. 1, 2, 3, 4, step, step, 1, 2, step, 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 and 1 and 2, wave, step, step, jump, and 1, 2, 1 and 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, circle, circle, 3, 4, circle, circle. That's it. Guys, I really hope you enjoyed this tutorial. Make sure to give me a big thumbs up if you liked it, subscribe, and I really hope to see you soon. Bye!